So this is the Nasco 7 kg, and this is how the machine looks like. This is the manual. It says twin tap washing machine, model MTA07 This is the content, the manual. This is the manual. So this is the inlet. This is the inlet mount. This is the inlet tube. This is where it goes. It enters here, and this goes to your tap. This all goes to your tap. And this is the outline tube. When you are done with the washing, this one brings out the water. This is the tube where the water drains out of it. And this is your washing tap. Then move it over here. Actually, you can even hang it here. Yeah, you can even hang it here. And this is your washing tap. This is your gauge. You can set it to high, low. You can set it to high, low, and medium. So you can actually remove this. I'll try removing it later. So that's what they use to gauge. And this is your spin cover. This is your air dryer. This is your spin cover. This is where you dry your things. Actually, this, you put this on top of it. You put this on top. That's how it goes when you put your laundry inside to dry. So that's all. So this is actually 5 kg. The drying session is actually 5 kg, and the wash tub is 7 kg. It can take, but actually put stuff like 3 kg of, don't overfill it. So that's all. That's all for this review. Thank you. In our next video, show how to use it, how to use the machine when you are doing your laundry. Actually, this is your wash time. You can see it 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 15 minutes, 12 minutes. And this is your wash. I put it here, you wash. This is your spin. When you want to spin your clothes. Then this is your spin time. The spin time, you have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So, and this depends on whether you want to gentle wash or want a standard wash. So when you're having a softer laundry, you use the gentle wash. But when it's a harder or it's a rougher fabric, you can use the standard. And this is what you use to drain. And you turn it on, you drain it. So that's all. This is what it looks from at the side, and this is how it looks from at the other side. And this is how it looks like at the back. Actually, it's supposed to go into the outlet when you are washing. And this is the Nasco. Is the Nasco. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Next time, we'll show you how to wash with it. Thank you.